Hi everyone, welcome to the Monday collaboration that I'm doing with Stmpgrl, who is Paige, here on YouTube. And every other Monday in the month of June, we're doing, well, we started with flowers last week, now masculine, the next Monday will be flowers, etc. So I pulled out again the He's All That Cling stamp set, and it's a bundle in Stampin' Up's 22 to 23 annual on page 79. The bundle number is 159079 for the stamps and the dies, and you can see the dies that the stamps that you get. It's really versatile. You can use it for camping, for cars, just a hello handsome, wishing you a happy Father's Day, which is my theme for the most part. To the man who does everything with some tools, which goes nice with another set, but I didn't get to use that today. And I also used the paper that coordinates called He's the Man Specialty DSP, and I used mostly this sheet, which has this on the back. So it's like the camping sheet, which also goes with Campology, but I didn't use that either. I did use this circle die. I did use this label die. I think they're the only dies I used this time. And this particular paper has punch outs, and I've used it before. These were the cards I did previously, just simply using the punch outs and not any stamping there. And the only stamping I did was on the inside here, the number 1 and wishing you a happy Father's Day, and same here. And these die cuts, so everything was die cuts. Retiring stars that are in the January to June mini, and these are new, I think, and this is vellum. So anyway, those were done previously, but they're masculine cards with the same set. And today I decided I would do something I haven't done in a very long time, and that is follow the sheet load of cards by Call Me Crafty Owl. This is the June one. Now I didn't do, how many does this say it yields? I am not sure how many this yields, but I only made 2. So I used the dimensions for a single card, but I just made 2. I don't see where this tells you how many it makes. Yeah, it used to tell you how many cards it makes, but I don't see that on here now. Anyway, so I followed this, and it makes a double card fun fold. I've made that kind of card before, so this is not really anything different than what I've done before, but it's been a while since I've done any kind of fun fold, really. So let me show you my cards, and I will give her credit for that design. So the first one is this. So this paper and this paper are from the He's the Man. This, I used that die in the set and just cut a piece of early espresso cardstock from the scraps. And then this, the tree and the van are from the die cuts. I used basic white cardstock. You can use 8.5 by 11 inch sheet. And then this piece of paper is from the Texture Chic in the new annual. I think it's in the new annual catalog. I could have used this side too with the wood paneling, but it was a little darker than I wanted. So I went with the one that has some gold foiling. I think I'm gonna really enjoy that paper as well, because this is soft succulent, and so is the lighter color that's in here, and I thought it went well with it. The backs of these papers, it didn't have enough other, like there were other brown designs and things, but I didn't want those. They didn't, it would have clashed. So then when you open this, I used another cutter part from the paper. Punch out. With you I'm never lost. So we have a little travel camping theme going on here. And then wishing you a happy Father's Day on the inside. And that is glued onto the back. Not the best stamping I did, but anyway. And then this one I put on early espresso cardstock I did the same papers here and here, but this time I stamped wishing you a happy Father's Day on the front. I used that other die from the pack. Again, the tree is from the punch outs, this arrow is from the punch outs, and this and the arrow are bumped up. And then these, oh, I forgot to tell you, these gems are the rustic metallic adhesive back dots. I used the small ones only, 3 of them. And they're on page 143 of the new mini catalog, 2223 mini. Sorry, I have a scam call coming in. And these dots are in the new upcoming July to December mini on page 31. And this color is soft succulent. It's really hard to tell, but it's like a almost like a pearlized soft succulent. I used 3 of those. And then on the inside, I had a strip of that back paper left, same paper from Texture Chic. I put it across here, and this time I stamped Every Day With You is Another Adventure. And then these are from the punch outs. And then inside, I stamped this and I colored this with Stampin' Up's sets of watercolor pencils, but I didn't use watercolor. I just used the blender pens because it's a small image. And I used Balmy Blue, Cajun Craze, Crushed Curry, and Black. And I think that's it. Oh, and Early Espresso to do the sides here. And then I just used a blender pen to smooth out the coloring a little bit. And I think I had stars on one of these. I don't know. Did I? No. I didn't. Never mind. I had them on this one. This one had these resin stars. They're retiring from the January to June mini. Okay. So that's what I did there, and I off-centered it so that I'd have room to, you know, or someone would have room to write a little message over here and say a sign. So those are my cards, my 2 cards for this week using the, oops, where'd I put it? He's the Man, He's All That. He's All That bundle of stamps and dies. A really versatile bundle even without the paper, in my opinion. I have some other ideas still for that I haven't gotten to. And then the 2 papers I used were He's the Man Specialty DSP, and it's specialty because it has punch outs. And then the Texture Chic, which is part of a separate suite of products. I think it's just called Texture Chic. I'm not positive. And that's in the new annual catalog, 22 to 23. Alrighty, so thank you so much for watching. I will have a link to Paige's Stmpgrl channel down below. Please do go check her out and show her some love. If you're interested in any of the products I've shown, please go to my link for Stampin' Up, which is still good this month. And for any orders under 150, please use this host code F6XTTH74. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.